So, I have just hired, the chicken here to do some digging for me. My industrial district. Say hello, chicken.
Hello.
So, would you care to know why I'm calling you chicken?
So my chicken. I am the chicken. I am chickenpadcai. It's a type of food. It's great. Actually, I don't like chickenpadcai in real life. I just accept it because it's cool. And I have the perfect Minecraft skin to go with the name, so I love it.
So, she also goes by brown chicken, and sometimes burnt chicken.
No, orange chicken.
Yeah.
Orange
Orange chicken. Okay,
This
orange
is
chicken.
Asian food.
Okay.
And chickenpadcai is an Asian dish.
Okay.
Yeah. So what are we going to be doing today?
We are going to be digging.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you want to show them around my base first?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Alright. So I'm not completely done with it because I just have not been able to put in the time needed. But this is my humble abode, and it is inspired by Mr. Pang's noodle shop in Kung Fu Panda. My absolute favorite thing about this build is this little cook stove with the hopper on it. Because in the movie, the dude has a big mixing bowl for his soup. So I was able to put this on top of my stove, so it's functional, but it also really looks like a bowl, so I just love that. So that's my house, and I don't know why I'm building it, but I'm also building this Chinese junk ship. I got a video tutorial from a guy called Lord Doctor or something like that.
Wait. Am I gonna get copyrighted for showing that? Do I need to put a blur over that or something? Is that?
He requested designer credits, which is totally okay.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to go around saying I did that by myself because I am incapable of doing such a highly detailed build in the water.
So, people at home, for the record, I don't know why she's calling that junk. I personally really like it. But it's her build. If she wants to call it junk, that's okay.
Would you like me to explain or just go on?
Just explain real quick, because they may not understand even more than I don't understand.
Okay, so in Chinese naval history, whatever, they use these really efficient boats called junks. That's the actual title you call them. That's just like the style boat they are. So right now it's got the little front sail, but when it's done, it's going to have an enormous back sail of the same like Chinese red band design type deal. And they were supposed to be like really good for like maneuvering and stuff. So it is the actual name of a boat type.
Okay. I'm glad that you built something static in a video game that's supposed to be really good at maneuvering. That's really nice. Yeah. You should have built a boat that can't move at all, because this
boat can't move.
Yeah.
It's sitting in water.
It's just sitting in it. Yeah.
Yes, it was not fun to do the whole.
Yeah. So
But I'm above water, so that's all that matters now.
Yeah. So for people that don't know, just because it's made out of wood and it's in water does not mean that it moves.
Oh my goodness.
And there's a Chad.
Yeah, I just saw him.
Yeah, I'm gonna back away from him because I still don't have any armor. I accidentally lost my armor in like a creeper zombie attack that happened while I was AFK over there at my little farm. And I keep forgetting that I don't have it, and that's why I keep dying, is I just go plunging into stuff, like thinking I'm fully kitted out and everything. But yeah, so I was going to craft armor today, or earlier, but, somehow, in between last video and this video, I've managed to lose every one of my diamonds. And losing diamonds happens a lot on this server. I'm missing 2 diamond blocks from the government's jar of diamonds. That's 3 diamond blocks that's been stolen from here total. A diamond block buys that island, so this was common ground, and then I bought an island and so forth. And yeah, so now Herobrine has all my diamonds again, so I actually have to go mining at some point in this video. But I have agreed to pay the chicken over here a stack of diamonds if she will help me do a task, and I'll show you what that task is. But this should kind of say a lot of stuff, yeah. So
it doesn't have mending on it. Okay. I actually have to go soon, but I can walk with you over to look at our prospect job.
Our prospect, I paid for it. I am paying you. That would be like me paying somebody to, like, work my farm, and then them just, like, saying, let's go look at our prospect.
Okay, so, hold on. I don't like to swim, so I'll just boat over.
Okay, well.
That's not my boat. Hold on.
In case any of the viewers are wondering what that orange there is, so
there was a look at this view.
yes, so I bought this before the chicken knew that I bought this. So
it's a long story. Let's not
but
all of the technicalities.
she just could not do without this thing, and she was like, she really wanted this, so I gave her from here out, and then 5 minutes later, the specific thing that she was going to build on it got called off.
Of course.
And then all of a sudden, it was just a dumb peninsula.
But I still want it, because it's lovely. I have big plans for it. Actually, it's just not for what I was going to use it for.
Okay, so, hey.
Hey!
Chicken, look at this. Wait, chicken. You see that line? Your land is on the other side of that line. This is my coal.
Okay. Okay, that's fair. Okay, so let's show the viewers what our plans are before we...
You don't know what our plans are. I just paid you to do a job. But
well, we decided that the dirt is going to be the legislative property.
The government property, because there's lots of creepers that have been blowing up. There are 2 main shortages on this server. One of them is dirt, actually, and then the other is iron. So hopefully... Yeah, so this project is actually going to cure both of those shortages. There aren't any shortages of diamonds, usually, because somehow they all circulate pretty well. Except for the ones that come
They all circulate into his mining sessions pretty well.
Well, yeah.
That's an ugly dirt block, so I'll take it away.
Yeah,
okay.
So all of this dirt across this whole island, let me find my map and show everybody. So the whole island that we are on, all the trees, all the dirt, and a lot of the sand are going to all be removed. And this is something that the chicken does not know yet, but I'm going to tell everybody, including her. So all the caves and drops and stuff I'm going to fill up with lava, and I'm going to leave the rest as stone, and then I'm going to light it up with, some kind of glowing block. Like, I don't want to just use torches, because that's just kind of, common. I may use
jack-o'-lanterns under carpet.
Yes, I can do that. Under gray carpet. That'll take a lot of glowstone, so.
Oh my goodness, there are things everywhere. I don't know where you went. I've just been picking flowers.
I've been right behind you the whole time.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Don't feel bad about blowing up any creepers over here because they will help us.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, I have flowers. Flowers, red flowers are very important for my big project. And yes, I have many flowers on my inventory. So I'm going to leave before something bad happens. And speaking of leaving, I have to go for right now because I have lovely dogs who love to eat. So I'm going to say goodbye to y'all, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, bye.
Okay, so you get back to my base, and then I guess I'm gonna go mining for a while, and then do stuff. Okay. So, yeah, in case you couldn't tell, she's probably a whole lot better at building than I am. So, yeah, it's really nice to have her and my other friends on film. And, she actually built all these mailboxes that are scattered everywhere. I don't think they've been used really well too many times, but they do add an interesting aesthetic to all of our builds. And personally, I do really like her designs for her base. And also her plans for the future on her side of the server. So, guess I'm gonna start mining, so I'll see you after that.
well, that was not too successful on the diamond shunt, but I got a lot of iron, and I believe I got 7 diamonds, which is a pretty decent bit of diamonds. But I got a lot of iron, actually. 24 blocks and 7 diamonds. So, I'm gonna have to get some more diamonds in between this and the next episode. And, until then, bye.